ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Welcome today in the show of Yoga Beyond Mat. Today is a new chapter. We will start with something new. Today we are going to speak about what are the different kinds of yoga. So let's start our journey. The first kind of yoga is Bhakti Yoga. In Bhakti Yoga, it is a particular type of yoga in which we use devotion as a form of service to the God. In this yoga, devotion is the main role which is played by the seeker. Here seeker uses his devotion to the Lord to attain the highest self-realization. So this is known as Bhakti Yoga. Now the second type of yoga is Jnana Yoga. In Jnana Yoga, the main focus is in the intellect. Here the seeker tries to attain the self-realization through the process of his intellectual understanding. Okay, like the words Aham Brahmasmi, by intellectually the seeker tried to understand what does it mean, and it tried to get the self-realization. Now the third form of yoga is Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga is a type of meditative type of yoga. In this, the seeker follows the 8 limbs of yoga, that is Yam, Niyam, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi, due to which he attains the highest realization of Samadhi, in which he attains the self-realization of understanding who he really is by the Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga it means that king of all yogas. Okay. Now comes to the fourth type of yoga. The fourth type of yoga is Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga is for those who are interested in doing karmas, who are interested in doing service to the society. These are suited for those types of seekers who like to do service to the humankind. This type of yoga is very beneficial for those person. So Karma Yoga is also very helpful. In Karma Yoga, we do the karma or by the work service to the needy by the following the process of Nishkam Karma. The Nishkam Karma means doing the act without any will or thinking. Now comes to the fifth type of yoga is Hatha Yoga. Very well known yoga in the West. The Hatha Yoga is also very good in nature. The Hatha Yoga is done by using the physical. It is for the physical uses. Physical uses means this type of yoga is very physically demanding. In this, there are mainly 7 to 8 type of practices, which starts from Satkarma, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi. So these are the ways when the yogi slowly starts from the Satkarma and reaches to the path of Samadhi to reach the highest self-realization. Now comes another type of yoga, that is Kriya Yoga. Kriya means set of processes. Kriya Yoga is very famous by Swami Yogananda in the West. So Kriya Yoga is, and also the Lahiri Mahasaya. So Kriya Yoga is generally used for a seeker or a yogi who wants to do Kriya. Kriya Yoga are set of different processes. Different processes are the meditative practices. they align our body, heart, mind and soul in one way and help us to reach the ultimate pinnacle of yoga. Kriya Yoga is very beneficial for those who want to do yoga in a meditative type of practices. Raj Yoga and Kriya Yoga are both meditative type of yoga but different in the process. Now comes the another type of yoga, that is Kundalini Yoga. Kundalini is called the or the serpent which is lying in the 3 coils in our lowest chakras. There are 7 chakras in our body, and Kundalini Yoga is basically a direct form of yoga in which our Kundalini, the supreme spiritual force, the Kundalini is also called the spiritual force, which is lying in us, which is dormant. The whole goal of Kundalini Yoga is to rise the Kundalini and reach to the last chakras of the body, that is Sahasrara Chakra. That is the goal of the Kundalini Yoga. Now comes the next type of yoga, that is Mantra Yoga. Mantra Yoga, mantra are the set of syllables in Sanskrit which is used to chant and reach the highest self-realization. Like I chant the mantra, Gayatri mantra, Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. So this is also a mantra. Om Namah Shivaya is also a mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah is also a mantra. So in this type of yoga, a person has to do certain types of sadhanas. Sadhanas are the various ways or the various numbers of repetitions of the mantra that is to be done to attain the self-realization path. Now come to the not well known yoga but a kind of yoga, that is Laya Yoga. Laya Yoga is a type of yoga in which mind, body and soul is aligned in a single way, in a single line. Single line means it is the calibration of the mind through the uses of the pranas in the body. The pranas are activated and also they are focused on the chakras, and chakras help us to balance our spiritual force and reach to the ultimate realization. So these were the few types of yogas which are famous, and these are also called classical yogas. Their philosophy has been done in various years ago. Their philosophy has been done about more than thousands of years ago, and there are various schools and types of the yogas. Hope you like the video, and also do like to comment and share our video. Now I would like to close the video with a peace chanting mantra. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you everybody.